Why is this victory just a beginning and there's a long way to go yet? We are debating that tonight on the second debate of the News Hour. Joining us this evening, Trupti Desai, Chief of the Bhumata Brigade. She led the entire brigade and the entire nation's women to victory at Shani Shignapur in this Right to Pray campaign. Trisha Shetty, founder, She Says NGO, is with us. Advaita Kala, author and scriptwriter, with us here in the Delhi studios. Saira Shah Halim, writer and activist, is also with us. And on the other side, we have Pandit Ajay Gautam, religious guru. We have John Dayal, activist and former Secretary General of the All India Christian Council. We have Rahul Ishwar, social activist. And we also have Mufti Muhammad Manzoor Ziai, advisor to the Haji Ali Dargah Trust. Now, Rahul Ishwar, I really wanted to start with you because your comment of this being a fake cause has really riled up the women on the panel tonight. But I will start with Mufti Saab because Mufti Saab is the advisor to the Haji Ali Dargah Trust and we are celebrating a victory tonight. We are celebrating a victory, and Mufti Saab, we really welcome this. We welcome this because it is a huge step forward. We welcome this because this is a step forward towards equality. But has it come with a degree of compromise? It is not the same status quo which was before 2012. What you have essentially done, what the Haji Ali Dargah Trust has done now, is that men and women both cannot touch the tomb. So in this desperation to keep women out, what you've actually done is also kept the men out and taken away their right to pray as well. Can you hear me? Mufti Saab, Mufti Muhammad Manzoor, can you hear me? That question was for you.
Hello.
Okay, I'm afraid he's not being able to hear me. So Rahul Ishwar, I'm going to come to you first. And we heard you there. We heard you say this is a fake issue. We should be, you know, the entire country should be concentrating on female feticide. Yeah, no. Rahul Ishwar, the question for you is different. The question for you is different. That question was for Mufti Saab. You say we should be concentrating our energies on female feticide, on infanticide, on clean toilets, on education for women. Yes, we should. But why should we not also be talking about an equal right to pray for women? And how can you call that a fake cause? What is a fake cause? Would you like to explain to us?
Madam, quick 3 points. One, let us understand that Haji Ali won the case in Supreme Court. Supreme Court Chief Justice Thakur gave the verdict in favor of Haji Ali, and right now woman cannot touch the dargah. Woman cannot touch the tomb of the saint. That was the whole debate about. They are kept out, and I am proud that Haji Ali people have heartily fought this case and won. Second point, even in Sabrimala, there is no
I'm sorry, contrary to what you say, Mr. Ishwar, I'm very sorry. The Dargah Trust, 1 second, Rahul Ishwar. Rahul Ishwar, if you're going to make 3 points, I will come back with 3 rebuttals. Rahul Ishwar, listen to me. Rahul Ishwar, rebuttal to your first point, the Dargah Trust has actually had to revise its earlier position. Its justification for not allowing equal access was rooted in the claim that allowing a woman near the grave was a sin in Islam. Now, they have had to settle for equal access right up to the sanctum. They had
right
to render
now,
their
can
earlier
woman touch the
resolution
tomb?
as
Yes
null
or no?
and void once the matter reached the Supreme Court. But men can't either. Yes, to keep the women out, they've also kept the men out, but they've had to change their stand, Rahul Ishwar.
My simple question, those who see this channel should understand, they should not be misled by half-truths. Only one question, can woman touch the tomb? Yes or no?
Can men touch the tomb? Can men touch the tomb, Rahul Ishwar? As of today, can men touch the tomb? You answer me.
They can't.
So, my point exactly.
Okay, can I come in here, please?
They can't touch the tomb.
Yeah, please
and
go
it
ahead.
is protected under Article 25.
I think Saira Shah wants to come in.
Because
I think Saira Shah wants to come in.
Belief
Saira,
that
okay.
I'd like to answer Rahul Ishwaran on this. Okay, now you have to understand that in Islam, okay, men and women, be it any country, be it even Saudi Arabia, though there might be a special provision for women to pray, however, women are allowed to pray in mosques. Now there's a difference between a dargah and a mosque. Now, dargah doesn't mean that you go and pray to the revered saint who is buried there. That is the inner sanctum. Yes, you can pay your respect, which is known as ziyarat. But you cannot pray to the dead body of the saint. It's as simple as that. So there are certain rules, and I feel at the moment it would be fair enough. If it's sauce for the goose, it has to be sauce for the gander also. So if women are not allowed to go and touch the inner sanctum, the same rule should apply to the men, and I feel that the board has made some amendments as far as that rule is concerned. So I feel at the moment it's a big step that women are allowed to pray, and I also welcome the step that in case the women are not allowed to touch the tomb, so it should be the same rule that should be applicable to the men also. So
No,
people
but
need
who
to
defined
understand
these rules,
what is
Saira
the
Shalim? Saira Shalim. What is this? What is this obsession? What is this obsession across religions to keep women out? तृप्ति देसाई, बात यह है कि हर रिलीजन में, हर धर्म में एक प्रिंसिपल, एक लाइन है कि औरत जात को बाहर रखो, कोई भी बहाना निकालो, मंदिर में हो, मस्जिद में हो, दरगाह में हो, कहीं पर भी हो.
That is misogyny.
No, even we'll ask John Dayal about the church rules also. But जहाँ पे आप देखें, एक overlying thought ये है कि keep the women out. ये कैसे होगा? किसने डिसाइड किया कि औरत किसने डिसाइड किया कि औरत को बाहर रखो? किसने डिसाइड किया? Who gives who the power to decide this? किसने कहा? Who decides that God is male?
And up to 2012 it was permitted.
क्यों? You can keep your articles with you, Rahul Ishwar. I am talking common sense, and if you want counters as far as the constitution, I'll do that. You're an intelligent man, Rahul Ishwar, so don't argue for arguing sake. Yes, Trupti Desai.
पुरुषी मानसिकता के लोग हैं, उनको लगता है कि महिलाओं को जो है वो ये दर्जा देना चाहिए, उनको बाहर रखना चाहिए. और सबसे पहले तो आज बहुत बड़ा दिन है जिसके लिए हमने ये आंदोलन किया था, ये हिस्टोरिकल विक्ट्री हुई है. आज महिलाएं सम्मान पूर्वक वहाँ पे गई है. और अभी जो कोई कह रहे थे कि महिलाएं वहाँ पे जाके उन्होंने मज़ार को छुआ है या नहीं, तो ये मज़ार को छूना या नहीं छूने का आंदोलन नहीं था, ये समानता का आंदोलन था. और जहां तक पुरुष जा सकते हैं वहां तक महिलाओं को भी जाना चाहिए, उनका अधिकार मिलना चाहिए. इसके लिए ये आंदोलन किया था. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट आया, ट्रस्टियों ने
मुफ्ती साहब कमिंग टू यू, मुफ्ती साहब कमिंग टू यू, जस्ट लेट तृप्ति देसाई कंक्लूड हर पॉइंट.
अधिकार मिला है, लेकिन कुछ लोग जो इसे गलत फैला रहे, ये बिल्कुल गलत है.
पंडित जी
मुझे लगता है कि सभी ने, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो वर्डिक्ट दिया है ये सिर्फ हाजी अली दरगाह के लिए नहीं, तो देश के सभी दरगाहों के लिए और मंदिरों के लिए एक आदर्श और मार्गदर्शक भी रहेगा. और ये महिलाओं की
yes, we will take this fight forward.
महिलाओं को
Absolutely. तृप्ति देसाई,
शीना,
बिल्कुल तृप्ति देसाई, ये एक और जीत है. 1 second पंडित जी, कमिंग टू यू. I will. No, 1 second. No, I will come to you. I need to go to Mufti Ziai first. Mufti Sahab, the question that I asked you earlier when you couldn't hear us is that yes, this is a victory which needs to be celebrated. We are very glad that the trust has had to change its stand, has had to make it equal for men and women. But is there an element of compromise? कहीं तो compromise हुआ है, because जो 2012 से पहले situation थी, that is not the situation today. What has happened today is that both men and women are not allowed to touch the tomb. Now this is in this desperate attempt to keep women out, you've also kept men out to some extent. Yes, Mufti Saab, please.
शीना, मैं बताना चाहूँगा, अभी जस्ट आपकी आवाज़ मुझे कान तक पहुँची है, और जैसा कि तृप्ति बहन ये कह रही थी कि इस तरीके की बातें कि, और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा ये जीत और हार की कोई बात नहीं है. आप हिंदुस्तान को किस तरफ ले जाना चाह रहे हैं? हिंदुस्तान एक ऐसा मुल्क है जो पूरी दुनिया में इनके नशीब फराज के साथ जाना जाता है, यहाँ की तहजीब व तमद्दुन के साथ जाना बचाना जाता है. मेरे पास कुछ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट आए थे और कुछ ह्यूमन राइट वाले आए थे कि कल इंतकाल अगर मुफ्ती साहब आपका हो जाएगा या किसी मेरे हिंदू भाई का इंतकाल हो जाएगा तो उसको जनाजे को जलाएंगे नहीं या दफनाएंगे नहीं, बल्कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के दरवाजे पर रख देंगे. आप हिंदुस्तान की हिंदुस्तान के अंदर में जो माहौल बना हुआ है उसको खराब करके आप उस जानिब जा रहे हैं जहां पे यूनाइटेड नेशन गया हुआ है. मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा इक्वालिटी राइट जो यहाँ पर आती है,
I'm sorry, one
मेरी बात
second,
सुनिए, टीना,
Mr.
मेरी बात सुन ले। मैं complete कर दूं।
मुफ्ती ज़ियाई, नहीं, I'm sorry,
आप
अगर
सुनिए,
आप
मेरी
इस
बात
तरीके के
complete करने दें,
ludicrous
टीना।
arguments आगे रखेंगे तो मुझे
टीना, आप-
बोलना पड़ेगा. One of the first things that our constitution guarantees us is equality.
यूनाइटेड नेशन और यूरोपीय यूनियन इक्वलिटी कहां देखा जाता है? आपको मालूम है कि यूनाइटेड नेशन और आपके यूरोपीय यूनियन जिसकी आप कॉपी कर रहे हैं, वो उन लोगों ने कहां पे इक्वलिटी देखा है? जहां पे मजहबी मामलात में कहीं पर भी इक्वलिटी नहीं देखी गई। यूरोपीय यूनियन में एक यूनान एक मुल्क है, यूनान मुल्क
क्यों नहीं
के अंदर
देखी
में
गई?
1 लाख से ज्यादा
नहीं, क्यों नहीं देखी गई?
आप
क्यों आपने अभी कहा कि भारत, नहीं, आपने अभी मुफ्ती साहब आपने अभी क्या कहा
अरे सुनिए तो
कि
पहले आप मेरी बात।
आप ये डिसाइड करना चाहते हैं कि आप भारत को
है।
किस दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हैं? मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं आप किस दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हैं? उस
सुनिए।
दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हैं जहां हम ये करेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हम औरतों को बाहर रखेंगे। हमने जो नियम बनाया उस पर हम अडिग रहेंगे। हम जो भी है, हमारे जो भी ख्यालात हैं, जितने भी पुराने हो, जितने भी प्राचीन हो, जितने भी खंडर जैसे हो गए हो, उन्हीं की मरम्मत करके हम उसी पर बैठे रहेंगे, हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे।
आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि इस्लाम के
तो फिर आप एक बात बताइए, बराबरी कहाँ हुई?
वैसा ही है।
आप एक बात बताइए, आपको क्या, आपको इतना डर क्यों है? आपको इतना डर क्यों है? आपने किसने ये डिसाइड किया है? किसने किस बेसिस पे ये डिसीजन लिया है कि जो चीजें मर्द कर सकती हैं वो औरतें नहीं कर सकती? किसने डिसाइड किया है? जब इबादत सबके लिए बराबर है।
आपको मालूम है कि आपके घर के
तो आप ये बताइए ना कि किसने डिसाइड किया है? किसने डिसाइड किया है मुफ्ती साहब? किसने डिसाइड किया है? किसने डिसाइड किया है? किसने डिसाइड किया है?
हिंदुस्तान के
किसने डिसाइड किया है?
हिंदुस्तान के
आपने
No, one second. What did you say? One second. I just want to. What did you say, Mufti Saab? What did you say? Did you just ask if the men in our homes can do the same things as the women? What did you just say? Can you repeat what you just said?
चाहते हैं तो सुनिए।
नहीं, आपने हमारे घरों और हमारी फैमिलीज के बारे में क्या बोला? Would you like to repeat that?
आपको सुनना पड़ेगा।
Did you ask if the women in our homes can do the same as the men?
आपको सुनना पड़ेगा। आप सुनने की ताकत भी रखिए मोहतरमा। अगर आपने बुलाया है आप मुझे एज ए गेस्ट, तो आप मुझे
तो आप समझने की ताकत रखिए ना।
पूरे हिंदुस्तान ने
आप समझने की ताकत रखेंगे मुफ्ती साहब। मुफ्ती साहब आप भी थोड़ा समझेंगे, आप भी थोड़ा समझेंगे, आप थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे, आप थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे।
क्वेश्चन के लिए अलाउड करेंगे सर?
त्रिशा
मेरा छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर सपोर्टिंग,
थोड़ा रुक जाइए ना, थोड़ा रुक जाइए,
छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है,
थोड़ा उन्हें बोलने दीजिए। त्रिशा शेट्टी, मुफ्ती साहब
हमारे वॉल्यूम को बंद कर दिया, आप अपनी चर्चा के
नहीं, हम नहीं बंद कर रहे हैं। आप नहीं, हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा सुनेंगे तो शायद आप थोड़ा समझेंगे।
तो यही किया है अभी तक।
आप थोड़ा सुनेंगे तो थोड़ा समझेंगे, आप थोड़ा सुनेंगे मुफ्ती साहब, आप थोड़ा सुनेंगे।
हम तो सुन
मुफ्ती
रहे हैं
साहब आप थोड़ा सुनेंगे,
लेकिन आप
उसके बाद उसका सब समझेंगे।
बोलिए
जी। नहीं, आपको तो सुन रहे हैं, आपको सुन रहे हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ जिस पैनल में आज जो औरतें बैठी हैं और मैं भी बैठा हूँ, मेरा भी खून खोल रहा है कि आप कैसे ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं मुफ्ती साहब, क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसी बात? त्रिशा शेट्टी, गो अहेड प्लीज। राहुल ईश्वर कमिंग टू यू आफ्टर दैट, जॉन दयाल एंड पंडित अजय गौतम आफ्टर त्रिशा's comment.
As victorious as the day was today for
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं किया आपने।
as victorious as the day was today for the activists, for the Muslim activists within the community, we still
Trisha,
have to
go
keep
ahead,
in,
please.
We still have to keep in mind that so desperate were the trust authorities to not allow, and I hate using the word not allow women to touch the tomb, that they've enforced the same restriction onto men. Yes, they've upheld the constitution in terms of equality before law, but we need to remember that this is how ingrained their hate and discrimination is towards women, that they were then willing to enforce the same restriction onto men. So we have to call this out for what it is. It's prudent to do that. And what is Rahul Ishwar talking about this not being a real issue? For him, criminalization of marital rape is not a real issue. For him, ending triple talaq is not a real issue. And he talks about right for sanitation. Of course that is a real issue. What is stopping him from fighting for it?
Yeah.
What is stopping him from fighting for women to have access to equal toilets? Why is he trying to put restrictions and stifle the voices of those women who are fighting for the right to enter temples? With the same equality principle.
No, and how can you decide, Rahul Ishwar? Yeah, how can you decide
he's not
what
even
is a genuine
deciding.
issue?
He's just trying to turn around and say, hey, look, this is the bigger problem. Look here. Whereas he's not doing anything to contribute to end the problem.
You know, Rahul Ishwar, at the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court had told the Haji Ali Dargah Trust.
Yeah, a guy of 18
you can
years,
come
if
with
he
that
marries,
question, Rahul.
ends up in jail. Why don't your blood boil if this is all about equality and discrimination? Why is a guy of age 18, 19 or 20
you
not
want to
allowed to
reach the
marry?
age of
Whereas a
consent?
girl of
If
18,
you want
19
to
or
reach the
20
age
can
of
marry.
consent,
Why
then
don't
have
your
that
blood boil?
as well.
Is that
No,
not
don't
the age
fall
of
for this.
consent?
Don't fall
Is
for
that
this.
not the age
Trisha,
of
don't fall for
consent?
this.
Is that not
Rahul
the age of
Ishwar,
consent? Why is the guy in jail?
Rahul Ishwar is a master at this. Rahul Ishwar is a master at this. Don't take the bait. Don't take the bait. Let his blood boil for the right to pray first. Then our blood will boil for everything else. Trisha, don't fall for it. Trisha, don't fall for it. Trisha, don't fall for it.
Have fought in Haji Ali and they won the
Trisha,
case.
don't fall for it.
They were saving
Don't fall for
Article
it.
25,
Rahul
a
Ishwar,
fundamental right
Rahul Ishwar
guaranteed
is a
by
master
Indian
of all of
Constitution.
this.
In the same
No,
way, from
he will
Hindu
try
side,
and quote the
we will win it
constitution
for
umpteen
Hindus.
number of times, but he will never talk common sense. That is when it is convenient, he won't do that. So don't fall for it. It's not going to work.
John
John Dayal.
himself. He forgets
Yeah,
Exactly,
absolutely,
exactly, sir.
absolutely,
Thank you
Trisha.
for saying that.
No, his
I
bluff
only
is
believe in
called.
Constitution.
His bluff
not
has
in
already
liberal
been
common
called,
sense,
so
not
don't
in the
fall for
feministic
it.
common sense.
His bluff has been
I'm
called.
thankful you
John
said
Dayal.
that.
In
I
your
only
desire to
believe in
put
John Dayal.
Constitution.
I think
I don't
John
believe in
Dayal.
your feministic common sense because that is imported liberal
as the-
Western
Will you
feminism.
allow, Rahul Ishwar, will you allow John Dayal to speak? I know you want to outshout me, but allow John Dayal to speak.
As possibly the oldest man on this panel, let me tell you how deeply embarrassed I am at the tone of what my what should I call them, genderists are saying. Patriarchy is indefensible. And I quite joined the young ladies there in celebrating a token victory. It's no more than a token victory, and I celebrate it with them. Partly because, of course, in my own community, barring the fact that women cannot become Catholic clergy, but they can become clergy in any other denomination and they can enter. But it's not that point. The point is, I mean, to paraphrase it, even if you say that man made God, there is no gainsaying that man did not make woman. She is equal. And over the years, because religion has grown, patriarchy has grown, a certain clubbiness has evolved and its rules and regulations. So there are two questions here basically. We totally celebrate the victory, this one, and a series of future victories I quite foretell. There is the other question, which is to what extent should religion relate to government in terms of what can I say, encroachment of the rights, which is not just in this gender issue. I think it's totally indifferent.
Yeah, but that's what,
beyond
John
that,
Dayal, they are two different issues, because you see, the thing is, this has to be seen as a gender issue. This is not in fact a religious issue, because this patriarchal mindset is something you see across
It is
most religions.
it's indefensible.
Absolutely.
It is indefensible.
This is to be seen as a gender issue, and Rahul Ishwar, coming back to you, and then Pandit
Can women
Ajay
become
Gautam to you.
Catholic priest?
Rahul Ishwar, once Rahul Ishwar, listen to the question, you keep doing this.
but they can worship.
Listen to my question.
And there may be a day.
We are saying,
there
Rahul
may be a
Ishwar,
day.
that there are discrepancies and there is
Well,
Don't be a
inequality.
hypocrite, John Dayal.
There may
Don't
be a day.
hypocrite. Don't
There
hide
may be a
your own
day.
things
Don't you
and
dare.
point to others.
Don't you dare
Even
call
the
me a
Pope is
hypocrite.
on record saying that women
Don't
cannot
you
become
call
priests.
me.
Why not?
The day
Hindus
there will
have
be a
female
Dalit woman as
priests. Do you have it?
Shankaracharya, there will be a
The
black
Hindus have
woman as the
female
Pope.
priests. Do you have it?
Sir, of
No,
course we have.
Rahul
In
Ishwar,
judges and bishops too.
Rahul Ishwar,
And
there are
bishops
questions.
too.
When is that?
John Dayal
Even the
and Rahul
Pope is
Ishwar.
on record. Why don't you
Rahul
condemn Pope
Ishwar,
then?
there are questions.
The
which-
Pope is Catholic, but the Archbishop
John Dayal,
is not
please,
Catholic.
I'm requesting you. Rahul Ishwar, the question to you, okay? We are saying categorically that there is inequality in every single religion. Yes, you question John Dayal about his religion. We ask, why can't there be a female Pope? That question stands, but I'm asking you, you are saying this is not really a victory, and I want to come back to you because you keep raising the point of the Constitution as well. Now, you are citing Article 26 is what I understand, right? But the Bombay High Court had clearly stated in the Haji Ali verdict that this cannot be allowed to supersede Article 14, which is equality, and Article 15, which is prohibition from discrimination. Now, the court has made it clear in this particular issue, the issue of equality is supreme, Rahul Ishwar.
Very true. I concede that point, madam. I concede that point with respect. That's a profound point that we need to arrive at a conclusion. Article 14 and Article 25 are waging a constitutional fight. What we are seeing is two interpretations of Article 14 versus Article 25. We are people who side with Article 25.
Correct.
I concede you are people who side with Article 14. But Bombay High Court verdict
No, the
was
Supreme Court
overturned by
also
Supreme
concedes
Court.
with that.
It was set aside
The
in
Supreme
favor
Court
of
also
Haji Ali.
concedes with
And it
that.
said
Just some
Article
time back
25
ago,
is
you wanted to quote the Supreme Court. So suddenly you don't want to quote Rahul
Supreme
Ishwar.
Court-
The Supreme Court has
set
said that
aside
Article
Bombay High
25
Court is not going to decide how
14 is
how should I
paramount.
perform my religious practice?
Did it-
What court has their limited jurisdiction.
They
The
are
court
very
will not go
clear
into interfere.
said
How could I perform
14
my religious prayer and how could I
Who
offer
decides
to the
that?
No,
right to
but
the
Who
court?
decides that? Who
nobody's
decides that?
telling you how to pray.
The court has their own limitation and jurisdiction. They cannot cross the
Pandit
Lakshman
Ajay
Rekha.
Gautam,
This
the court is not telling you
rule
how
is
to
applied
pray.
for
Can I
the
point this
judicial
out, madam?
No,
judicial
the court
also.
is not.
Just allow me.
The
I
court
listen
is-
all of
yes,
you patients.
But the court is not telling you
allow me for my
how.
submission,
But what
please.
you're saying is the court cannot
Allow
tell you
me
how
for
to
my
pray.
submission.
The
You
court is
cannot
not.
use the hammer of the law and court for
Okay,
But the court is not telling you.
What hammer are you trying to use, Ajay?
I am just quoting.
What hammer are you-
Ambalike, Namaniyati Kachanha, Sasatta Shavakaha, Subadrikam, Kampil, Vaisinaha. First of all, the Gita said, if any Hindu cannot permit it to visit any dargah or any tomb. If he visit that, he cannot remain Hindu. It's a classical text which is directed
But we're not
to all of
discussing
us.
that. We're talking about
allow me
women's
now. I am
equal right to
listening.
pray.
No. What is the point?
जब हमारी गीता में लिखा है असक्त की अचेतन की पूजा नहीं हो सकती तो आप हमें बताएंगे क्या रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस क्या होती है
आपको कौन बता रहा है? हम तो इक्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं। आपको ये कोई नहीं बोल रहा कि आप कैसे पूजा करें।
मुझे आप बताइए कि आपने कहा कि इट्स अ ग्रेट विक्ट्री फॉर द वुमेन्स दैट डज इट्स गोइंग टू चेंज the any status in respect of the economical, financial or educational status improved to the women by the entry in the Sabrimala and
अच्छा, अब मैं आपको एक सवाल
unnecessary issue you are raising
अजय-
that
अजय
to
गौतम।
destroy our religious
अजय
and
गौतम।
social fabrics
अजय
only.
गौतम, अजय गौतम।
If you are tell me now what kind of benefits women are getting
no,
by the
Ajay Gautam, let me
entry
tell
in
you
the
one thing.
Sabrimala and Shadia.
No, Ajay Gautam। Ajay, let me
One
ask.
line.
आपके नाम के पहले आपके नाम के
सर ये बताइए क्या आपको हासिल हुआ
अरे
है
आप
क्या
मेरी- अरे आप
औरतों
मेरी
की
बात-
स्थिति पर क्या फर्क पड़ा है
मैं बता रहा हूँ क्या फर्क पड़ा। मैं बता रहा हूँ
इकोनॉमिकल बढ़ गया उनकी एजुकेशन बढ़ गई
आपने सवाल पूछा है ना, आपने सवाल पूछा
बताइए क्या स्टेटस चेंज हुआ
तो सुनिए अद्वैता प्लीज बताइए, तृप्ति देसाई प्लीज
सिर्फ बताइए क्या स्टेटस मेरा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है
एक बात बताइए।
मोरल तो बढ़ गया
अच्छा तो सुनिए
मोरल तो
ना,
बढ़
आपने
गया।
पूछा है ना
to create the anarchy in the religion, tell me any single achievement by the entry of Sabrimala and Hajj.
What have women achieved, Advaita?
You know, I've been on these debates right from the beginning on right to pray, and today I'm
सबसे
going to be a
पहले
bit of an
तो
oracle because I've heard the same
women ने
arguments
जो
over and over
achieve किया
again.
है,
I
वो
think
मैं
what's going to
बताऊं।
happen
एक
is
मिनट,
कि
you
वहाँ
know,
पे महिलाओं को
let this be men's hour and let them
उसके
vent
लिए
on
इन
their
सभी
frustrations, because here's what's going to happen. These women are going to approach courts when this kind of discrimination happens, because we are guaranteed under the Constitution to equal rights in worship and in all other facets of life, and the court is going to rule in favor of women. So that's what's coming up. So please take this opportunity to vent as much as you want, because no one's backing down from this. What's happened increasingly is that this sort of argument against women entering any places of worship, be it across the board, be it a dargah or a temple, really stands on a couple of stools. One is the utilitarian argument that, oh, you know, they don't have the mental capacity or the physical capacity to do this. The other is the rights argument. That fails as well, because our rights are guaranteed by the Constitution. There's no theological argument for this. We saw that very clearly. Whether you want to go by Hinduism as a textual or as a religion of the word, it isn't. So there's no theological argument, especially in Hinduism, when it comes to this. So the only argument left is this sentimental argument. And that sentimental argument is what I see men increasingly using in terms of tradition, our hurt sentiments. And you know what? The sentimental argument, Panditji, is not going to hold. It's not holding, and it won't hold.
You are getting by the entry in Sabrimala and Haji Ali.
What kind of
benefit you are getting?
Why should you know?
You came
What kind of benefit?
Why should you know? Ajay Gautam, now listen to my question.
want to know.
Ajay Gautam, now listen. No.
What is the
I want to
religion
know, Ajay
and
Gautam.
in our
You tried to
religion?
quote
The
the
whole
Gita.
country want to know.
Is there anywhere in the Gita which says that man and woman are different and they should be discriminated?
Yeah.
पंडित है ना?
Where is the
नहीं, आप पंडित है ना? आप बताइए ना? आप बताइए ना? आप बताइए।
The right to pray.
तो discrimination है। ये तो discrimination है। When you decide that women cannot enter, you are discriminating. When you decide,
5 temples in
So
this
which-
country where the entry of the men are restricted.
No.
Ever we opposed?
No.
Tell me.
No, five temples where the Shankaracharya is a woman.
I said
5 temples where the Shankaracharya is a woman. Tell me that. Who decided that? Who decided that?
Second is
You
Assam.
want to
Third
try
is
and
Manipur.
raise your voice, but please tell me that who decides?
If you
Who
have a
decides?
problem with it, why don't you go and raise a protest?
Why?
You
Why?
want to
We
enter
respect
it, so
our religious
why?
sentiment. You cannot.
What sentiment?
The sentimental argument.
Who decides
It's not going to work.
What sentiment?
That's all it is.
Who decides the
That's all it
sentiment?
is.
What sentiment is this and who decides the sentiment? आपको किसने ठेका दिया है ये sentiment decide करने के लिए? Who has given you this sentiment? Who has given? I am asking you a question. I am asking you a question. Who are you? Who are you?
What is your local stand?
What is your local stand? What is your local stand? What is your
Okay,
local
let
stand?
Trupti Desai want to
What is your local stand?
What is your local stand?
You are going to challenge
What is your
whatever
local
my
stand?
sages, whatever my ancestors, whatever my riches, melted down and directed to
How do I know their
follow the
sentiment?
religion as per these kinds of rules. Tell me, who are you?
मुझे लगता है कि अजय जी और राहुल जी अगर चुप बैठेंगे तो हम बात करेंगे।
हाँ बताइए, आप बताइए।
बहुत सही कहा आपने। चलिए बोलिए, अब आप बोलिए, अब ये चुप बैठे।
मैं तो 40 मिनट के
हम
बाद
जब आंदोलन करते हैं
रुक नहीं
तब भी ये लोग विरोध करते हैं, जब हमारा आंदोलन यशस्वी होता है फिर भी ये महिलाओं का अभिनंदन नहीं करते हैं, जब महिलाएं वहां तक पहुंचती है तो महिलाओं को क्या हासिल हुआ ये बातें करते हैं, महिलाओं ने भगवान को छुआ या नहीं छुआ इसके लिए ये महिलाओं
God is everywhere.
मुझे लगता है सुनिए
बताइए वो जगह बताइए ना भगवान का
ये
हो।
समानता का आंदोलन था और इसके लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो वर्डिक्ट दिया है, अभी पहले तो मुफ्ती मंजूर जी भी थे, मुझे तो लगता है मुफ्ती मंजूर जी ने तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो वर्डिक्ट है वो मतलब कैसे भी महिलाओं को छोड़ना चाहिए इसलिए ट्रस्टियों ने वहां पे छोड़ा है, इनका कुछ भी इन्हें अभी मंजूर नहीं है कि महिलाएं वहां पे जा रही है, इसके लिए ये बिल्कुल खुश भी नहीं है। मतलब ये पुरुषी मानसिकता, हमें लगता था कि आज महिलाओं का स्वागत होगा।
आपको शबरीमला जाकर कौन सी प्राप्ति होगी? धर्म के कौन से ग्रंथ में लिखा है कि वहां जाकर ही आपको भगवान मिलेंगे? पड़ोस में गणेश जी के मंदिर में मिलेंगे, कार्तिकेय जी के मंदिर में नहीं मिलेंगे, हनुमान जी के मंदिर में नहीं मिलेंगे।
पंडित
उनके साथ चर्चा भी नहीं करनी चाहिए और ऐसे लोग मतलब अजय जी, गौतम है, राहुल ईश्वर जी है, खुद को हिंदू धर्म के ठेकेदार बताते हैं, वो अगर हिंदू धर्म के महिलाओं का सम्मान नहीं जानते, किसी महिलाओं के अधिकार को नहीं जानते, उनके अगर हक को नहीं जानते, तो मुझे लगता है कि इनसे कुछ बात करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है। ऐसे लोगों को बिल्कुल हमें कीमत नहीं देनी चाहिए।
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कहाँ है मुझे बताइए ना। हम तो एक मंदिर की बात करते हैं शबरीमला की, देयर इज 5 टेम्पल्स इन द कंट्री, वी नेवर अपोज कि ठीक है एक कर किसी का मन है। आप किसी की रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस को सिर्फ इसलिए बदनाम कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा बता रहा है कि हिंदू प्रैक्टिस के अंदर औरतों का गला घोटा जा रहा है, जबकि ह्यूमंस आर सुपीरियर देन द मेन। नेवर से टेक ऑल द
कभी भी किसी धर्म के खिलाफ आंदोलन नहीं था, हर बार
राधा कृष्ण
ये किसी मुस्लिम धर्म के
ये सारे नाम आज भी सबसे पहले देवी की पूजा करी जाती है।
महिलाओं का आंदोलन
आज भी पुरुष जो होता है कन्याओं का पूजन करता है नवरात्रों में। मुझे बता दीजिए महिला कभी किसी पुरुष का पूजन करती हो तो बताइए।
अब आप रुक जाइए, अब आप थोड़ा रुक जाइए, अब आप रुक जाइए।
और कुछ भी आप मतलब आरोप करते हैं जिसके कुछ आंसर नहीं है,
आप अराजकता फैला रही है धर्म के अंदर और कुछ नहीं है। आपको लोकसभा लड़ना है, आपको नगर पालिका का चुनाव आप हार चुके हैं, विधानसभा में जाना चाहते हैं, आप बताइए।
हो गया पंडित अजय गौतम, थोड़ा आप शांत
अब आप दूसरों को बोलने दीजिए। या राहुल ईश्वर।
राहुल ईश्वर,
There is only one request to Tripti ji. Tripti ji says she will come in this December or January. Please come, have our great hospitality and go back. You won't be allowed to enter Shabarimala. This is a very humble.
बिल्कुल हम आएंगे, आपने कुछ धमकी देने की हमें बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है और आपने बुलाया इसलिए हम नहीं आएंगे। हम भगवान के मंदिर में जा रहे हैं और भगवान ने कभी किसी भक्त में भेदभाव नहीं किया है, तो आपने बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं। जनवरी में तो हम आने ही वाले हैं और हम कौन रोकता है, हम उसे भी देखेंगे।
इन्विटेशन
हमें लगता है कि वहाँ की केरला गवर्नमेंट हमारे साथ है, संविधान ने दिया हुआ अधिकार हमारे साथ है, तो आपकी दादागिरी बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगी वहाँ पे। आप किसी भी महिलाओं को खड़ा करेंगे,
संविधान ने हमें भी अधिकार दिया है। आर्टिकल 35 में संविधान सिर्फ आपका नहीं, संविधान मेरा भी है। आर्टिकल 35 में मेरा भी अधिकार है, शबरीमला का भी अधिकार है।
faithful
आपका ही
of the
नहीं,
faith.
हमें
and-
बुलाने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, हम आपको
अरे राहुल भाई, don't argue with her. Let her,
हिंदू धर्म
let her come.
बात कर रहे हैं।
Then we
मुझे
will
लगता
see.
है अगर आप सच में
you
हिंदू
know,
धर्म
this is
के
what-
ठेकेदार
दीदी,
हैं,
शबरीमला में आपका दादागिरी नहीं चलेगा,
Let her
शनि
come.
सिंह
Let
का
her
चला
come.
होगा,
Please.
शबरीमला में नहीं चलेगा।
Please let her come.
नहीं
तृप्ति देसाई,
आएगा
calm down.
महिलाओं का-
तृप्ति देसाई देखिए
जी।
ये ना ये अब ये जो है ना दिस इज हाउ दे स्टैंड एक्सपोज पीपल लाइक राहुल ईश्वर अजय गौतम जो ना जो अपने आप को ठेकेदार मानते हैं रिलीजन का कस्टोडियंस मानते हैं किस बेसिस पे किसने अधिकार दिया पता नहीं अरे अगर if Lord Ayyappa is the all powerful being if he is the one who's presiding deity of Sabrimala let him decide whether he wants women there or not who is Rahul Ishwar to act on his behalf who's empowered him nobody but they will not answer that question because they believe कि उन्होंने ठेका ले रखा है सायरा शाह अली
Article 25 has empowered me.
Okay, I'd like to add.
Article 25 has empowered me. Indian Constitution has empowered me. Right to faith has empowered me. 1982 Kerala High Court has empowered me. And we have crores of devotees.
Don't try and become
Our
egoistic.
faith and devotion has empowered us.
There's so many people talking at the
Sitting
same
and becoming
time.
Article 25 has empowered me. Indian Constitution has empowered me. Kerala High Court has empowered me. Crores of Ayyappa devotees have empowered me.
You can't do that.
Definitely resist any ultra-feministic intrusion into our
Can I
temple.
talk here? Can I talk
Saira
here?
Shah Alim, you are
Rahul-
intruding into Saira Shah
Okay,
Alim's
Rahul,
rebuttal.
I'm sure
Let her
you'll
speak.
not disagree. Rahul, I'm sure you'll not disagree with me. Be it any religion, be it Hinduism, be it Islam, be it Christianity. Okay, women have always played second fiddle to men. And here the fight is not about the dargah or the mosque or the temple. The issue is that women should have equal rights to worship, should have equal rights to access of worship here. You are missing the point entirely. The idea is not कि कुछ हासिल हो रहा है या नहीं. Let it be tokenism. Okay, I agree. Let it be tokenism. But it is a small stepping stone to many more milestones that women have to achieve. As far as equity, as far as equality is concerned, I feel that we are on the right track because there are many more battles
Yes.
to win. So why are you so against women
Exactly.
entering places
Exactly.
of worship?
So you
should be
concede you are
celebrating
misusing
women.
us.
I would say amen to that.
So are you concede you are misusing temples and mosques for your political agenda?
Rahul Ishwar, please. No. Rahul Ishwar, please stop. I
What
want to take that
political
question to
agendas?
Mufti, please. I
Rahul,
need to
can you
take
please
Mufti
spell
Manzoor.
out what political agendas are you talking about? What political agendas are you
These kind
talking
of
about?
random
Can you please
insinuations.
elaborate?
Forget it. Saira Shah.
Your
Saira Shah, we are
ultra-feministic
not getting
political
into these
agenda.
kind
You
of
are
random
misusing temples and
insinuations.
mosques. Are you conceding that?
What
No, one sec.
ultra-feminist, Rahul,
How are they misusing
if I'm
How
writing about
how is anybody
right to-
misusing
right-
temples
right
and
to
mosques?
access of a
Rahul
place of
Ishwar,
worship,
when you
are
run out
calling
of
me
arguments, you start saying
ultra-feminist.
things like this. One second. You've raised an important point, Saira Shah, and I want to go across to
Madam,
Mufti
there is a
Manzoor on
lady
that.
Shabrimala.
Mufti
Please
Manzoor.
come. We
Saira
will
Shah
take you there
says.
with all honor.
But one second.
For ladies,
Rahul,
there is
please
a
let
lady
others speak.
Shabrimala.
Mufti
Why do you
Manzoor
want
has
to
not
intrude
spoken.
into the male space?
Rahul Ishwar, Mufti Manzoor has not spoken in a while. I'm going across to him on an important question raised by Saira. Allow me. Mr. Mufti, the fact is that she has talked about this victory at Haji Ali being only a stepping stone because there is a long way to go, and I want to ask you specifically about reforms across the Muslim religion so far as gender equality is concerned. This is what Muslim women in this country continue to face. A, triple talaq, this regressive practice where a man can divorce his wife, as we all know, without her consent. It is banned in 22 countries, including Pakistan, might I add. Then let's also talk about other practices.
की बातें करके अगर आप तलाक की बात करना चाहते हैं तो तलाक एक अलग मौजू होगा जिस पर पूरी बात की जा सकती है।
निकाह हलाला,
तलाक एक अलग मौजू है जिस पर पूरी बात की जा सकती है और निकाह हलाले पर पूरी गुफ्तगू की जा सकती है। और बात जहाँ तक आप यहाँ दरगाह की बात करेंगे तो सिर्फ दरगाह की बात करें और इक्वलिटी की जहाँ बात करेंगे आप
पूरा सवाल देखिए। अगर आप नॉनस्टॉप बात करना चाहेंगे तो हम भी ये कर सकते हैं। अगर
चीज में होती है ये तो बता दें
आप सवाल तो सुन लीजिए। देखिए, अगर आप सवाल नहीं सुनेंगे तो हम दूसरे पैनलिस्ट के पास चले जाएंगे। मुफ्ती मंजूर, अगर आप सवाल नहीं सुनेंगे हम दूसरे पैनलिस्ट के पास जाएंगे। My question to you is this: when women continue to face so much acute discrimination, so much gender inequality, we are seeing this only as a small step forward. There are many bigger battles to fight. Mufti Manzoor.
आप ये बता दें, जेंडर इक्वलिटी की जहां बात होती है तो जेंडर इक्वलिटी के साथ हमारी बहनों को ताजीम और तकरीम इस्लाम ने दे रखा है। हमने ये कभी उनके साथ कोई जुल्म और ज्यादती करने के लिए इजाजत नहीं देता इस्लाम। या अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल शख्स उसके साथ जुल्म और ज्यादती करता है, तलाक या हलाल या किसी और मसले को लेकर के, तो यकीनन उसके ऊपर उसने जुल्म किया और इस्लाम जालिमों का अंजाम बताता है कि जालिम हमेशा नुकसान और खसारे में रहेंगे। और बात अगर आप उसी करना चाहते हैं तलाक और हलाला की, तो उस पर एक अलग मौजू है, उस पर बात की जा सकती है और बहुत अच्छी बात आपसे कर सकते हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। लेकिन हम आपको अभी यहां बताना चाहते हैं कि दरगाह का मामला है, वहां पर औरतों के हकूक की जहां पर आप बात करेंगे तो औरतों के हकूक कहां कहां लागू होते हैं। औरतों के हकूक इसके अंदर में इस तरीके से लागू नहीं करते हैं जिस तरीके से आप लागू कर रहे हैं। आपने इस्लामिक मामलात को ध्यान में रखा है, तो इस्लामिक जो भी बातें होंगी इस पर आपको अमल करना होगा। हमें अमल करना होगा, जो मुसलमान होगा उस पर अमल करेगा। इस्लाम किसी चीज को आप पर थोपता नहीं है, इस्लाम आपके साथ ज्यादती नहीं करता है।
मुफ्ती साहब,
अगर आप जाना चाहते हो कि नहीं,
इस मामले में
मुफ्ती साहब देखिए ना, वो मुफ्ती साहब एक मिनट, मैं आपकी देखिए, मैं एक चीज आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा। एंड आई
अच्छा, मुफ्ती साहब, ये आप हलाला और ये ट्रिपल
ओके, योर पॉइंट फर्स्ट
जी। अभी आप ट्रिपल तलाक और हलाला की जो जिक्र कर रहे थे, ये बात सबको मालूम है कि ये तो कुरान शरीफ में भी नहीं लिखा है कि ये हलाला जायज है।
कैसी बात आप कर रही हैं? आपको मालूम ही नहीं है फिर?
तो ये
कुरान में हलाला है या नहीं, तलाक है या नहीं, ये
कुछ मुद्दे मैनमेड हैं।
नहीं, आपने ये गलत तरीके से समझा है या समझाना की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आप।
सायरा जी,
कुरान में तलाक भी है, कुरान में हलाला भी है, कुरान के अंदर में ये सारी चीजें मौजूद है। अगर इस पर गुफ्तगू करनी है तो पूरी एक लंबी बहस आपसे हम कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको इसी मसले पे बात करनी है तो पूरी बात करेंगे।
प्लीज पॉज because you know the argument is not about the argument। नहीं मुफ्ती जी, सी देखिए, आर्गुमेंट ये नहीं है कि इस्लाम में क्या लिखा है, गीता कुरान में क्या लिखा है, बाइबल में क्या लिखा है। आज वो आर्गुमेंट नहीं है। मेरा सवाल आप लोग सबसे एक है कि आप लोग क्या सोचते हैं निजी तौर पे। कोई पंडित है यहाँ, कोई मुफ्ती है, कोई क्रिश्चियन काउंसिल में काम कर चुके हैं, एक राहुल ईश्वर है जो अपने आप को स्वामी अयप्पा टेम्पल का कस्टोडियन बताते हैं, भले वो हो या ना हो, बट आप लोग सब पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं। मेरा सवाल आप लोग सबसे ये है कि आप अपने जहन में औरत को अपने बराबर मानते हैं कि नहीं?
औरत की बराबरी की सिर्फ बात करें आनंद, तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि सिर्फ बराबर ही नहीं, उनके
मैं आपसे पर्सनली एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। मैं सुनिए तो सही,
इसका यस और नो टाइप में क्वेश्चन है।
नहीं, मैं रिलीजन की बात, मेरा सवाल ये, मैं बता रहा हूं क्यों, क्योंकि ये जितने भी सवाल उठे ना,
देना चाहिए।
नहीं, मैं बस आपसे सिर्फ ये बता रहा हूं,
उत्तर नहीं होता है। आनंद जी पूछिए, आप अच्छा सवाल पूछ रहे हैं,
मैं आपसे मैं आपसे सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं, नहीं जॉन दयाल, this is where the problem is, it all starts from that mindset till the time people who have the position to chart the discourse, drive an opinion, who believe that they have come to a level where they have perhaps studied the text, scriptures and educated and claim themselves to be scholars, claim themselves to be self-confessed custodians of religion, till the time they do not think about equality, they do not think that there is gender equality, man and woman are equal in society despite their learnings, you will not have it percolated, and it will start. I'm saying the first example is right to pray, everything else comes later.
There is no doubt, but there is a global revolution against patriarchy. And let me separate issues of faith from the practice of faith. God is equal, your belief in God is equal. These man-made rules about entry, about priesthood, and I quite admit that there is quite a turmoil within the Catholic Church. Should women become clergy or not? And today or tomorrow or the day after, Jesus has not banned this practice, by the way. But his 12 disciples were men, and that was a matter of history. It doesn't foreclose the gates forever, although the Pope has said that he doesn't see women becoming clergy in a very soon time. But among the Protestants, women have been clergy, women have been bishops, and so on and so forth. But I would say that this revolution for gender justice is global. It cuts across all religions.
Yes.
It cuts across ideologies, because there are two other things also. They're rationalists, they're atheists, they're all other issues who don't follow Christianity or Hinduism, Islam.
Well,
So this is a larger
John
issue.
Dayal, this is what we are saying. We are not saying it is any religion specific. We are in fact saying that this cuts across all religions and it's a matter of gender equality. Trisha Shetty, I'd like to come to you for your concluding comments on this. Why is it that every single time this right to pray issue is
And
raised
equality is
and
not
all
a donation,
women
it's
see
a right.
it as a gender issue, why is it that these men with these patriarchal mindsets, these people who believe they are the custodians of religious places or religions, why do they twist it and start presenting it as some sort of infringement upon their personal religious practice?
Control.
I think it's
Trisha Shetty.
I think the three main arguments that they keep raising, one is the patronizing tone that they put forth, where they say, no, we worship women even more, we want to protect you. They put it under the guise of, it's complete patronization. The second argument is, what is the argument? Why do you need to go to Sabrimala? God is omnipresent. Well, if God is omnipresent and that is what you truly believe, then you shouldn't obsess so much over where women are entering and where women are not entering. And the third argument over what will women achieve? Well, going to Sabrimala is a deeply spiritual experience for a lot of people, a lot of deities. Why should women be restricted from experiencing such a deeply spiritual experience? Also, how can you expect women to be equal participants in the advancement of the world's largest democracy if a status of a woman is largely dependent, and the laws actually that she has access to is largely dependent on the religion that she professes? As of right now, coming back to the need for uniform civil code and even imposing restrictions on the entry of women, how are you upholding the status of a woman? And it's not right to turn around and say these are not real issues. Of course they are real issues. I can see the passion with which Rahul Ishwar defends Sabrimala. Why should women not experience that spiritual experience? And also it's horrifying that he turns around and issues threats on national television to Trupti Desai and says, regardless of what the Supreme Court verdict is, I will see how you enter Sabrimala. In this regard, he is not upholding the spirit of the Constitution. It's blatant disregard and disrespect.
Don't put words into my mouth. Please don't lie, madam. When did I say that?
Okay, so then let me ask you a question. If you could let me complete. Tomorrow, the Supreme Court upholds the spirit of the Constitution and asks and says that women cannot be denied entry to Sabrimala regardless of the age group that they belong in. Will you abide by that judgment? Will you respect it and open the doors of Sabrimala, or will you resist the judgment?
Of course, we will go to Constitution bench. We will go to 7-member bench. And if finally Supreme Court says we have to concede. But right now Kerala High Court support us. And we agree with you on gender equality. But we don't agree with gender sameness. We only say gender equality is there along with gender differentiation.
Obsess more over gender equality and stop issuing threats on national television to women and say, let me see how you enter. That's horrifying. Is that the religion that you're standing by? I don't think...
Who is issuing threats? People like Trupti Desai are issuing threats. People like Trupti Desai are doing dadagiri to us. She is threatening us coming here. Even when a court case is there. Who is issuing threats? Trupti Desai is issuing threats.
हम तो हमारा अधिकार मिलवाने के लिए आने वाले हैं. दादागिरी आप कर रहे हैं.
दादागिरी आप कर रहे हैं. आर्टिकल 25 मुझे एम्पावर करते हैं टेम्पल्स के बारे में.
आपको बीच में बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
टेम्पल के बारे में.
महिला तो बात नहीं कर रही है.
This is no time for a man of God, my friend.
आप ही कुछ वकील पत्र देकर जो है वो बातें कर रहे हैं. आप हमें आपसे कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है.
Also, it's important.
No, we are fighting in Supreme Court, madam. We are fighting against your threat and your intrusion attack.
कुछ ऐसे दादागिरी करने का बिल्कुल संबंध ही नहीं है. हम हमारे भगवान के मंदिर में जाने वाले हैं.
You are issuing threat to us.
के प्रॉपर्टी में नहीं जा रहे हैं. प्रॉपर्टी में नहीं जा रहे हैं.
Why do you want to issue threat to us?
Yeah.
All I want you are talking about the equality. All I want have you get the reservation from Metro 10 to till Parliament. On another hand, you are talking about the equality. You need separate ministry. You need special rules and provisions in our constitution.
You know why? You know why?
You need a special
You know why? You know why?
For improve yourself. Other than where is the equality? Why not you give up the all equality?
Okay, अब आपने सवाल पूछा. अब आपने सवाल पूछा. अब आपने सवाल पूछा. अब आप जवाब सुनिए. अब आप जवाब सुनिए. The reason why they are asking for separate things is because there is a state of inequality. If there was a state of equality, these demands would have never been made, and that's the slap on the male gender. that you have created a situation where there is inequality.
Sir,
And no, Pandit ji,
we take women's inferior, superior rather than men.
That's a profound slip of tongue.
It's not the Freudian slip. But Advaita, नहीं बस वो कहने की बात है. नहीं कथनी और कहनी में, कथनी और करनी में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है.
तो आपने हिंदू धर्म को ऐसा कर दिया कि इससे खतरनाक कोई
पंडित जी देखिए, कोई भी धर्म खतरनाक नहीं है. कोई भी धर्म खतरनाक नहीं है. कोई भी धर्म गलत नहीं है. उस धर्म को प्रचार करने वाले उसका गलत इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. उस गलती को सुधारने की आवश्यकता है. जो उसको इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हैं, वो गलती कर. अद्वैता
I'll come to you to conclude this with the question that Ajay Gautam asked. Now, you know, if you're going to bring this down to an issue of why do you need a women and child ministry, well, like Anand said, well, you need it because there hasn't been equality so far. The whole thing is about a fight for equality.
No, and I go back a little further to, you know, the very important point. The question that he raised really is that, and the answer to that question is the fact that the world order, be it as it was used by men using religion as a crutch to keep things going, to control. Now that has been the basis for all of these kind of traditions that have come up over the ages. It has been an instrument of control. Now what's happening as the world becomes more equal, women are going to fight and question these discriminations, be it in the Catholic Church, be it in Hinduism, be it in Islam, where in India, I imagine, women are not allowed into mosques, but they can go into mosques in Saudi Arabia, which has some of the most absurd and violent human rights violations, you know. So this kind of disparity that we see happen, which is so typical to our region, is also something that we have to question and fight. And I think it's a great argument for why we must keep government out of religion. But you know, till there is no self-reform, we saw this in the in the Uniform Civil Code as well. The Muslim board has finally set up a women's commission to look at triple talaq now after the furor. Why didn't it happen earlier? So when men who think they control religions don't believe in self-reform, then I'm sorry, these agencies have to step in, and that's exactly what's going to happen, because we live by the spirit of the Constitution, and that's guaranteed to us.
Absolutely, the fight is going to continue now that the Haji Ali Dargah has done the right thing by agreeing to allow women to enter the sanctum sanctorum. We hope that this is the first step towards many more. We hope more barriers are going to be broken down,
and this
Right to Pray campaign is going to continue, and more so right here on Times Now. Thank you all very much for joining us on Debate 2 on the News Hour tonight.